costly IT development services eating away your budget? Are you being asked to do more with less? Sluggish development cycles hindering your IT deliverables? Well, Cloud Extension provides the services you need to reach maximum levels of efficiency. Our custom application development expertise includes mobile, SharePoint, .NET, Java, and cloud platforms. We help you build cost-efficient solutions that create lasting technology benefits for your company. With a proven track record of providing world-class professional services to Fortune 500 companies, unmatched domain leadership, and the ability to function as an extension of your team, Cloud Extension is your development partner of choice. Our winning formula of technology expertise, flexible pricing models, and extensive code libraries will help your enterprise deploy solutions 50% faster and reduce costs by 25%. Call us today and let us show you how we can help your business.